as you can see by the title, what today's video is going to be about is we're doing a little exhaust comparison, almost like my last video with my boy Brandon. Oh, excuse me, like my boy Brandon. Check out that last video if you haven't seen that yet. But right now, we finna go do a little exhaust comparison with my boy One Slow 392. Go check out his Instagram. I'm gonna leave that right there. But he has a 2018 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. We're gonna be doing a couple things, making a couple videos. But let's start on this video. Yeah, that fucking car. This color look good. For sure.
Dirty as fuck right now.
You can't even tell it look dirty. My car, when that black, when that get dirty, it's just, oh man. I washed my shit 2 days ago and the shit look dirty already.
The good shit is with this, like, it could be dirty as fuck. Ceramic coating.
Oh yeah, I forgot you got ceramic coat.
I just take that shit to a dollar car wash.
So how long is that supposed to last?
I got a lifetime warranty.
Lifetime warranty? Sheesh.
I got 4 layers. They put 4 layers on the whole body, windows. I fucked up on the old set of rims.
Yeah.
The rims were coated. The brake caliper.
Today we're going to be doing is a comparison with the exhaust for the 2017 Dodge Charger versus the 2018 Dodge Charger Scat Pack. So what's done to the Charger exhaust, we have the resonators and the mufflers taken out of the car. So from the mufflers to the resonators to the full straight pipe. And the Scat Pack, what we have is just a muffler delete, right? Yeah, just a mid muffler delete. So we're gonna be seeing which one basically sounds better with the mid muffler delete or the straight pipe RT. The Scat Pack is supposed to have like a better sound and it's supposed to be louder automatically, so it's probably going to even out, but we're gonna be seeing right now in the video. Now we get into the Charger. Yeah. This shit definitely is louder.
That shit loud.
Yeah. Breaking necks. Said breaking necks. Breaking necks. Oh shit. now came to the conclusion that my car is in fact louder than the Scat Pack with the mid muffler delete. Now, mind you, if that Scat Pack had the same exhaust setup as me with the straight pipe, he would indeed be way louder than me. I could post a video right now from my boy Fast Life Russ. Make sure I go check him out, by the way. But I gotta show a video of him. All right, now as you can see, his Scat Pack was way louder than both of our cars. It was just a whole different type of tone and exhaust sound. It is just crazy. But that's pretty much the end of the video. Big shout out to my boy 1Slow392 for helping me out with the video. Big shout out to my boy Fred for recording. And stay tuned for the next video. We got some crazy going on. But